Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a numerical problem related to independent events. Since problem is a dice is thrown, if E is the event, the number appearing is a multiple of 3 and F is the event, the number appearing is even, then find whether E and F are independent. Since in this question E and F are two events and ask that check E and F are the independent events or not. Now we are going to write solution of this question. Since or if E and F are independent events, then probability of E intersection F should be equal to probability of E into probability of F. This is the condition of the independent events. Now here in the question say that a die is thrown, means total number of sample space S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means there are 6 events. Since E is the event, the number appearing is a multiple of 3. E equal to appearing the multiple of 3. That means here multiple of 3 means 3 and 6. That means there are only 2 events, 3 and 6. This is the multiple of 3. And second thing is F is the number appearing is even number, and F equal to, these are even number, that means 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. That means there are 3 events, and E means events multiple of 3. That means there are 2 events. Now here E intersection F equal to E intersection F. In the E and F there are only 6 is common, so this is the 6, that means only 1. Therefore probability of E is equal to number of favorable events upon number of space, that means 2 upon 6. And probability of F means this is the number of favorable events 3 and number of sample space 6. And probability of E intersection F is equal to, since E intersection F is total event is 1 upon total number of events 6. Since P of E into P of F is equal to, P of E means 2 upon 6 into P of F means 3 upon 6. Now 3 2 ja 6 and 2 3 ja 6. This will be 1 by 6, which is equal to the probability of E intersection F. That means this is the probability of E intersection F. Thus we can see here probability of E intersection F is equal to probability of E into probability of F. Both are equal. Thus we can say that given events in this question E and F are independent events. Now in the next video we will discuss about total probability.